और अब आपको लिए चलें, एहसन इकबाल इस वक्त तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Our research priorities and pool resources in emerging areas. AI for development, smart cities, precision agriculture, green technologies, and digital health. Creating binational innovation labs and funding mechanisms that support collaborative R&D projects between ASEAN member states and Pakistani institutions can go a long way. Our industries should be encouraged to co-develop products and prototypes that meet the needs of Global South, especially in low-cost diagnostics, e-governance tools, and affordable automation solutions. 3. Technology for sustainable development. We must ensure technology works for the people and the planet. Pakistan and ASEAN countries can work together on low-carbon technologies, circular economy models, and climate resilience tools. We should prioritize technologies for social inclusion, such as EdTech platforms that deliver quality education to remote areas or mobile health solutions for maternal care in rural communities. Through joint pilots and case studies, we can document best practices and create scalable, inclusive tech solutions that reflect our values and contexts. Pakistan is deeply committed to a future driven by innovation and technology. Under our National Development Framework, Udan Pakistan, the 5 E's of exports, e-Pakistan, equity and empowerment, environment and energy infrastructure, technology is a cross-cutting enabler. Our vision is to make Pakistan a knowledge economy that empowers its youth, strengthens its industries, and plays a meaningful role in regional cooperation. But we know we cannot do this all alone. That is why partnerships with ASEAN are not just important, they are essential. Let me conclude with a call to action. In this moment of opportunity, we need to reimagine ASEAN-Pakistan relations, not only in terms of trade and diplomacy, but as a technology alliance for inclusive prosperity. I propose the following action steps for your consideration. Establish an ASEAN-Pakistan Technology Cooperation Forum that meets annually to identify joint projects, share innovations, and review progress. 2. Launch an ASEAN-Pakistan Startup Bridge to connect incubators, investors, and founders across our region. 3. Promote regional standards and interoperability in digital technologies to foster seamless collaboration and integration. 4. Encourage co-hosting of tech expos, hackathons, and innovation challenges that crowdsource solutions to common development problems. 5. Institutionalize a digital dialogue between policymakers, academia, industry, and youth so that technology policy is inclusive, forward-looking, and human-centered. Ladies and gentlemen, the future is not something we inherit. It is something we build. As Pakistan and ASEAN look to the next chapter in our relations, let us place technology and innovation at the heart of our partnership. Let us inspire our young minds to code solutions, to design clean technologies, to build the next wave of responsible AI, not just for profit, but for the public good. Nursed with its dynamic spirit and world-class faculty and students is the ideal place to host this conversation. Let this expo be the beginning of a new era of cooperation, one in which Pakistan and ASEAN work hard, hand in hand, to build a smarter, greener, and more inclusive future for our billions. Thank you, shukriya, terima kasih, khob khon, salamat.
इस्लामाबाद में वफाकी ज़ेर मनसूबाबंदी और तरक्की अहसन इकबाल का तकरीब से ख़ताब कहा कि डिजिटाइजेशन ही मसाइल का हल है, साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी से ही माशरे तरक्की कर रहे हैं।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।